Hello and welcome everyone to this orientation session. My name is Peter Tsiblani and I am a senior lecturer of information systems. Together with my colleague, Professor Lisa Seymour, we will talk to you about the amazing world of information systems and why you should consider choosing IS as your major. Let's face it, modern life in the 21st century revolves around information systems. What is an information system? Well, an IS, or an information system, is an integrated set of components for collecting, storing, and processing data, and for providing information and knowledge in order to enable individuals, organizations to carry out and manage their day-to-day and strategic operations. Can you imagine what your daily life would be like without information systems? Can you imagine life without DSTV, Showmax, Netflix? No card machines, no ATMs, or even e-wallet for payments. No WhatsApp for instant messaging. No websites to book your air ticket, your bus ticket. No Google Maps to help you navigate the world. Not a single beeping digital machine in your hospital room. Or worse, no apps. Not a single app on your internet-enabled smartphone. It's almost needless to point out that our lives will be negatively affected, and very much so. Have you stopped to consider how and who are the people that analyze, deliver, design all this complex and important part of our daily lives? IS professionals. Now, some of the world's largest companies today, amounting to trillions of US dollars in market capitalization, are actually IT companies that create and run the most sophisticated information systems the world has ever seen. These companies do not only make the entrepreneurs that run them very wealthy, but they also enable millions of organizations and billions of individuals to create value for themselves. Whether it is aspirational dreams of tech entrepreneurs such as Elon Musk taking humans to Mars or making space travel cheaper, whether it's Netflix bringing the entertainment to you wherever you are in the world, or Google providing users with the most relevant, highest quality search query results, whether it's Amazon enabling consumers to find, discover, and buy anything online, or Mark Zuckerberg's ambition to make the world more open and connected, or Microsoft's grand ambition to reinvent productivity, all the way to Apple's big goal to provide the best customer experience with the best products on earth. Information system leaders and professionals will remain the most sought after professionals for the foreseeable future. You have probably heard of the term the fourth industrial revolution. We understand 4IR to refer to the current and developing environment in which disruptive technologies and trends such as the Internet of Things, robotics, virtual reality, artificial intelligence are changing the way modern people live and work. The integration of these new trends into day-to-day business and normal lives requires an army of highly skilled IS professionals with specific and deep expertise in all knowledge domains of information technology and systems. Now, the next disruptive application in digital finance, in accounting, in digital health insurance, the next online learning platform, the next online shopping platform, the next vaccine development platform, etc., incorporating artificial intelligence, machine learning, nanorobotics, etc., all these potential killer applications present a unique opportunity that IS professionals will be placed to solve. So, if you are looking at a university major that is challenging and intellectually stimulating, a course that will empower you to develop globally sought after skills, if you want to be the next global leader, an entrepreneur, a change maker, if you want to reinvent and impact the world positively, if you are looking for a career that is truly rewarding, where you will keep developing new solutions as the world changes, I urge you to listen to the next slides by Professor Lisa Seymour. I thank you.
Hi, I'm Lisa. So let's talk about information systems as a discipline. We at UCT are part of the School of IT with Computer Science. There's our website. If you go there, you can see all our degrees listed and information about them. So let's go into some detail on them now. So we've got 3 BComs in the Commerce faculty. You can do a BCom in Information Systems just by itself, or you could decide to have almost like 2 majors. So if you're very technically oriented, you could do Information Systems and Computer Science, which is a powerful mix. If you're into finance and accounting, it's a good idea to do the finance and IS degree. That's also a very powerful mix. And of course, you've got the business science, which is well branded. So a lot of options there. We also are available for students in humanities and in science. So a lot of options because information systems intersects with everything. You can, of course, once you've done your BCom, in your 4th year you do your honours, and then you end up almost with similar to business science. You've got 4 years, and that's really what's recommended. And our 4th year, our business science and our honours is accredited internationally with the British Computer Society. We're the only university in Africa. So that's also great. What exactly are you going to study if you do information systems? So in your 1st year, you just have one course for 1 semester. You can choose information systems or computer science, and that would be just an introductory course. It's a course that a lot of other majors do as well. And it's only really when you're in 2nd year that it gets, that you really get to do what information systems graduates would do. So you start with programming, and we do programming. We do quite a lot of programming. So commercial programming is your 1st course. You then have a database course where you learn how to design and develop databases. We have a business intelligence course where you do analytics and work on big data sets. We've got our systems analysis course, and systems analysis really is the core of the IS discipline. That's where you are analyzing organizations and looking at how processes are working in organizations and how you can design and develop applications for those organizations. So information systems graduates really are designers, and it's that core systems design and development that will really give you a taste of what you would be doing in an organization. We also have an IT architecture course where we look at infrastructure, cloud computing, and more technical things. In 3rd year, we've got our electronic commerce course where you do quite a bit of more web design and looking at usability. You have project management course. You might do the full project where you actually get into a team and you develop a solution for an organization. You have your business process and enterprise systems course that focuses a lot on exactly what technology are businesses using and how can you improve processes in organizations. And then, of course, you've got the option of going on to your honors degree, which is there, of course, more courses there and more programming and more project management. So a lot of our projects are done in teams. And so we have labs for our 3rd years on the left, our honors students, and we even have an innovation lab called the Ubunifu Lab, where we've got a lot of cool tech. So we do a lot of teamwork, and a lot of our degree is all about innovation. So this year in 2021, we are going to be starting off the year with online lectures. And in fact, we might carry on. So in IS, we are used to that. We've been using technology for quite a long time. I just thought I'd show the third year class prize winners. So we do some synchronous things as well online. So what kind of job do you end up doing once you've got an IS degree? So there are a lot of job titles out there, hundreds. So it's quite hard to say. It's not like I'm going to be an accountant. So these tend to be the jobs that our students get. So they become IT consultants, and there are lots of those. Business analysts, a large number become business analysts, project management, systems analysts, developers, auditors. The list goes on, and they keep changing. Of course, web application developers as well. So do go to the AIS website. It's the international website for information systems, and they've got a list of job indexes there as well. And our students are good at it. We love showing off our students. So here's some examples of where they've won competitions. This is a team that did a business analyst project in their third year. They looked at improving the process of registration at UCT and actually won a prize and then went to Amsterdam. So that's some of our students. Here's another group of students. These were honor students who entered a discovery competition, and they developed an app. I think it was pretty much an overnight competition, and they got first prize. So our students are good at programming. So once they're at honors, they can do well. And this was a national competition. Our students are social inventors. They are wanting to solve the problems that exist in our country. And so here's a team of students who came up with an application that helps with unemployment. And a lot of our students have gone into that space and are working for NGOs trying to help solve some of our country's problems. The job market is good for IS graduates. I've got a busy slide. There are 3 things on it. The first is the Department of Higher Education and Training. They do release every now and then what we call skill shortages in the country. And their list they came up with in 2020 has got all the occupations in South Africa where there's a high demand. And they've also looked at ones where they're predicting this demand to increase post-COVID. And a lot of these were IT. So you can go look at that document and see for yourself. Even the global report by the World Economic Forum lists the jobs that are increasing in demand, that there are shortages. And I just listed the top 10, and you can see many of them are in IT. And information systems students tend to get the jobs more easily than other majors and tend to have higher salaries. So on the left is a report done in America which confirms that. So you can of course go and look these up. So here an example of companies that tend to come to graduate recruitment at UCT, to our careers day, and look for IS graduates. And so sometimes a company like KPMG and Ernst & Young, you'd think they're only hiring maybe accountants, but they would be hiring IT people as well. So a lot of the financial services is a big employer, which is why that IS and finance is a good mix. And of course, just retailers, just almost any organization needs people that can help with their IT solutions. I hope you found this video informative. Please do go to our website. On our website, you'll find more information, but also the names of the student advisors. You can always pop them an email. There's a question you have and you want some extra advice. Okay.